Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of healthy cooking with the GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 18-Piece Kitchen Cookware Set in a charming soft pink. This complete cooking set is PFAS-free, ensuring your meals are free from toxins like PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so you can serve up healthier dishes for your loved ones with peace of mind. Featuring an 18-piece collection, this set includes everything you need for culinary success, from fry pans and saucepans to a casserole, steamer, baking sheet, and even kitchen utensils. The sand-derived ceramic coating offers a non-stick surface that ensures effortless food release and lightning-fast cleanup, while the soft grip Bakelite handles stay cool on the stovetop for maximum comfort. Each fry pan is reinforced with a wobble-free base for extra strength and even heating, and the rivetless interiors prevent food buildup, making cleaning a breeze. Plus, the durable glass lids let you easily check on your meal's progress, and the cookware is made from a minimum of 65% recycled materials, excluding handles, making it an eco-friendly choice. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this cookware set delivers effortless performance on all stovetops, except induction, and is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.